Welcome to Unnati Eco-Friendly Foundation. This is Mr. Bhagyadev, who is the proud owner of this beautiful location here in Kanti. This is located in the midst of beautiful nature in Chikmagalur. Now, let me quickly give an introduction to this place. He's been working on this for the last 17 years, Mr. Bhagyadev?
17 years.
17 years, okay. So, one of the important aspect of this foundation is that it has a capability to build house from 1 lakh all the way till 5 lakhs. So this reduces the cost by 60% of the overall constructions in compared to the regular convention mode of constructing houses. And then we've been receiving a lot of inquiries from Nature India Foundation to have a video in the English as well. So hence we're making this video to give you more details on how this house has been constructed with a very eco-friendly, very pro-nature, and with all the keeping nature aspects into consideration.
Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel as well as Facebook page My Nature India. Today we are in Chikmagalur district and in Kanti village. Today we are in Unnati Eco-Friendly construction. There we can see the owner of this construction, Bhagyadev. He has constructed a house which is cost in and around 5 lakh rupees. You might be asking what is the speciality of this house. This house cost you just 5 lakh rupees for putting up the construction, and it doesn't take a long time for construction of this house. It might take in and around 10% of the house which you construct in a brick. That means it will be a lesser cost as well as time saving too. And he has already constructed many schools as well as some of the resort, etc. And he is in this house. You can see there will be one big hall which will accommodate you in and around 10 people, and there will be another house right behind it for other 2 people can comfortably stay over there. And this house might cost you just 5 lakh rupees. And other things like how to put up the constructions and what are the technologies which has been used for constructing of this house will be explained very detailedly in upcoming YouTube videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and get more information related to constructing of these houses. And many people have visited this house and they have enjoyed a lot. You can see here a dryad is provided, a small dryad which will be like useful for other if you have anything like staying outside the house. So you can put up the tents over here and you can just stay and you can have fun over here. And the outlet small compound like thing has been done for the safety purpose. And let's see inside how it is facilitated as well as he also put up the constructions like 1 BHK, 2 BHK, etc. So let us speak with him, with Bhagyadev and his other co-workers, and we will get detailed information regarding it. Okay, let's go.
We are now standing in middle of farmhouse built by Mr. Bhagyadev in Kanti. Now this house he constructed for his purpose, private purpose, and then gradually this was shared by his relatives, close friends, where this is located in the middle of you can see a lot of fruits, lot of close to the river flowing in middle of the nature. Now this is a single bedroom guest house with around 1200 square feet.
Yes.
Yeah. And then this is irrespective of whether hot weather or even in rainy season or even winter, this farmhouse will take care of all the different atmosphere. And then quickly, what is the material used in the roofing, Bhagyadev?
Again we are seeing the house right in front of you. This is the house which might cost in and around 4 lakh rupees. So you will get nearly 2 rooms in downside, and upon that there will be one big hall which is make you comfortable over there. You can see over there, and this is in Unnati eco-friendly construction, and Bhagyadev will explain detailedly in upcoming videos regarding this building of houses, as well as what would be the technology used over there, and as well as many matters related to this house. And you can see over there the big hall and 2 rooms under it. You can see over there. So there are variety of designs for you to place the orders, like there will be 1 BHK, 2 BHK houses which might come in and around 5 lakh rupees. So we will show other models or other plans related to this house.
We are now inside the Unnati eco-friendly farmhouse. Now, just to give an idea how this house is constructed and some basic information about the technicalities of this house. So this house will be constructed with the flooring, and then once the flooring is completed, then the erection of this house is done through a concrete with a 32 mm wall. And then with this, the advantage is that it saves a lot of space, and the time at which this can be erected is around I would say 10% in comparison to a regular house. Also, it reduces the cost by 60%. Now, once the erection is completed, then the roof is done with
precast slab.
Precast slab with
covering with sheet.
Okay. So with that, we retain the temperature normal, irrespective of the whether it's rainy season or in the summer. Now, anything else you want to add, Mr. Bhagyadev, in the dimension of this house?
Dimension is 1200 square feet.
Okay. And then the overall cost is 60% less than the regular construction of the house, and the most importantly, the time at which you can complete this house is very, very, very low.
1 month.
1 month, is it? Oh.
You are seeing the house upon your screen, which might cost you just 1 lakh rupees, and it will be having one attached bathroom too, and it is well facilitated, as well as there will be one bed, and one person can comfortably live in this house. As well, you can see a small river valley which will be flowing in front of your home itself, and he has planted 40 varieties of plants in his plot, so that whoever visit his plant might experience the nature, as well as good climatic as well as natural conditions too. And you are seeing there are areca plants, coffee bee plants, as well as guava plants, etc. 40 varieties of plants he has cultivated over this plot, as well as, and he has another house which will be explained by us in upcoming videos, as well as there are and how it will be constructed. Detailed information will be provided for you by watching My Nature India YouTube channel.
Now we will be taking you to a single bedroom house where it consists of a hall, a kitchen, and then a veranda, a toilet, built on 1,200 square feet. This is built for all-weather, waterproof, heat resistant, irrespective of the climatic conditions. And then this is built with a 60% reduction in cost, 10% reduction in the space, and then 10% overall time it takes for a regular house, approximately a month's time. Then along with this, they was also intending to have some training sessions where somebody who wants to build a similar house by themselves back home, they can come learn the technology, go back and build the similar technology. The idea is to share and spread the awareness of the nature and eco-friendly atmosphere with the current climatic conditions. If you look at the exteriors in Also, in last 17 years, with a similar technology, he has been constructing schools, hotels, resorts, and then toilets, which are some of the other constructions that he uses the same technology. Now with this, let's move to a single bedroom house where we will show you in-depth details of the technology.
Namaskara for everyone. Today we are in Unnati eco-friendly technology house construction factory. Today I gonna show you how this house will be constructed within 5 lakhs. Many people have many doubts regarding this, and we have seen in the comment section that how can a house can be constructed in 5 lakhs. So this what you are seeing right now is a veranda. Now we will show how the house will be look like, and 1 BHK house this is. See, when you enter at the beginning we have a hall, and there will be, and you can see over there is a open kitchen, as well as this space is for dining hall, and this is a hall, and you can see over there is a single bedroom. Right now you can see what are the things which are available over here. There is one cot. It is a double bedroom and quite bigger, and you can see 2 people comfortably can stay over here. As well as you have see this is a projector hall that which is already fixed by Bhagyadev over there, and see the projector. You can set your projector and you can watch the movie over here quite comfortably. You can see this wall is just 32 mm wall, which will be shown later how it will be constructed and what are the technologies we have used over here. So he's Mr. Bhagyadev, who is the owner of this construction group, and we will move to construction department and see what are the technologies we have already used in it. Okay, let's move. Today we are in Unnati eco-friendly manufacturing unit. Today we gonna learn about how to construct the house for 5 lakhs. What are the materials that these people gonna use in this factory? I will show detailedly about it, because I have got many of the comments over in the comment section that how can a person build a house in 5 lakhs. So that we will give confirmation for each and every person who have a doubt regarding this. Now you can see we are in the manufacturing unit, how the process is going on. See, this is the frame which is used for the wall purpose. So for this frame they're gonna put a cement contract, and they will keep for some days and they will remove it. So that 32 mm wall will be get ready. Then you can see already they have done one of the contract, they have already done it. So this is the thing, and next like this it will get dried and it will be cured by putting the water and all, then it get ready. And now you can see the frames. These are the frames which gonna be used for the construction of the house. So this is the frame of door which will be used in that house, as well as this is the window part you can see over there. Yeah, so today many people got doubt that is this possible, or is this house worth it. So definitely we have a house which can be constructed in 5 lakhs, which is movable, as well as which will be very affordable for everyone. And in this Bhagyadev already have constructed few schools, as well as toilets, as well as some of the houses, and he also have done the project related to the restaurants like hotels or resorts, etc. So you can in his this is one which he has invented for himself. We have already seen in foreign countries there are movable houses, but he is the person who has intended to build a movable house in India too. Once a house is put up, and then there is no confusion that you can move that house from one place to another place too. And he has also intended that if you have a team of 20 people, if you are intended to start this business, he will definitely support you by training up in this manufacturing unit only. So he has joined the hands with My Nature India. So please do support him, and if you have any clarification regarding this, you can just contact him. The contact details will be available below the video. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel My Nature India. Today we are in Chikmagalur district, Kanti village. We are in Unnati eco-friendly construction, and here we can see the owner of this eco-friendly construction, Unnati eco-friendly construction, Bhagyadev. And here we are in the middle of the nature where the river is flowing. It is flowing in mid of this plot, so he has very uniquely designed it, and he has made very utilize of this river, as well as he has built few houses in a low cost. In upcoming videos we will be showing how he has constructed those houses in very less cost too, and the cost of the houses will be in and around 5 lakh rupees. Just 5 lakh rupees you can construct your house, and it will be well facilitated too. Let's move for seeing of houses.